In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your X.com or Twitter history watch using a few simple steps inside your account. This is a quick and useful method if you want to revisit videos, posts, or content you've interacted with before, whether that means things you've liked or posts and replies you've made. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to X.com, then log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile, especially if you have more than one account. Once you're inside X, look at the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can see different sections of your activity. Now, if you want to see videos or posts you've liked in the past, click on the Likes tab. This tab shows every post you've liked, which is one of the easiest ways to find content you may want to watch again. You can scroll through this section and quickly revisit old posts, videos, and other media you interacted with. If you're trying to find things you've commented on or responded to, click on the Posts and Replies tab instead. This section shows your own posts, replies, and conversations you've been part of, which can help you track down videos or posts you discussed before. It's important to remember that X does not always provide a full watch history the way a video streaming app might. So when people talk about checking X history, they usually mean looking through their likes, posts, and replies to find content they interacted with earlier. That's why these two tabs are the most useful places to check. Take your time scrolling through the tabs, and if needed, use X's search function or your browser's page search to help narrow things down. This can save you a lot of time if you're looking for a specific clip, account, or conversation. And that's it. Now you know how to check your X.com or Twitter activity history through your profile tabs. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.